Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and this morning I'm looking at a book which has come to us from Oxford University Press. It's this book here. It's called Patent Application Drafting, a Practical Guide, and it's been written by Morgan D. Rosenberg. And it's a very interesting book for actually quite a large number of reasons if you're involved in patents or patents law. The title we've given it, which is on the web, is How to Draft Patent Applications, a Mentoring Guide for Novices and Old Hands Alike. And what we say is this: part of the practitioner law publishing program from OUP, this excellent guide is targeted to the professional needs mainly of US-based lawyers. UK lawyers too, in our view, who advise or operate globally on patent applications will find this book essential. Also check out the other 7 or so titles on the patents area of law in this admirable OUP series. It covers obviously intellectual property, antitrust, i.e. competition, and media law. And from patent appeals to patent ethics, as well as, for example, patent litigation in China. So there's a wide range of different titles to look at in this complex and quite technical area. This particular work on patent application drafting is and does what it says on the cover. It is indeed a practical, no-nonsense guide to the entire patent application process from start to finish, and I think will be relevant to laymen as well as lawyers. And it includes many helpful illustrative examples, complete with diagrams of the type that typical patent lawyers will usually encounter in practice. This is the book, the front cover, the spine and the back. You can see that there is a very detailed index there. And you've got, it's a heavy book, it runs to 700 pages. There's a good example of the sort of diagrams and indications you've got. Got a lot of information there, you see. And what you've also got, apart from all of that information, you do have useful footnotes, which are at the bottom, which make it a lot easier to find things. And we've also got, when you look at the actual chapter headings, you have a chapter, a heading, and then you, rather than having paragraph numbering, you have letter A and B and so forth, which is a slightly different way of looking for things in the actual book. And that's a copy, that's a part of the contents. My wife and I think this is an excellent book. It's something that's very much part of the standard of the Oxford University Press, which is right at the top of the tree, if we can put it that way. As the author points out in the introduction, the book is full of information, strategy and tricks that he's learnt during what he terms a real-world education program, and it contains examples, as I've just shown, of virtually every type of patent or patent application. The book basically, I think, is aimed at those who ask, how do I do this, and I don't care about reasons or theory just yet. It's very useful, there's a lot of research information, so I'd like to thank all concerned for an excellent contribution to the law of patents. Bye-bye.